This covers lighting outlets over bathtubs. This illustration is covering such rules in accordance with 410.10d as in dog. Now, the NEC loop has some sections to review for certain items around a bathtub or a hydro massage tub. Now, notice the switches are reviewed in 404.4c. The receptacle outlets are reviewed in 406.9c. The GFCI protection now is in 210.8A1. The AFCI protection is in 210.12a. Luminaires protection is in 410.10d, along with hanging fans that would be in 422 for paddle fans over a bathtub or a hydro massage tub. So luminaires, two sections, 410.10d is in dog and 680.72. And the basic rule is that 3 foot horizontally, no lighting fixture can fall within that zone without it's above 8 foot, as you see in the illustration, which includes receptacles, lighting track, hanging luminaire, or a ceiling suspended paddle fan. Now, sometimes homeowners want the electrician to allow them to put a paddle fan above it, so when they're taking a bath and they can have a little bit more comfort with the paddle fan. But even on a GFCI, if it's not above 8 foot, this would be illegal. And if somebody got hurt or killed with such an installation, it will come back to that contractor. And if an inspector sees it, where that is permissible by local ordinance, county code or state code, this would be prohibited. So I figure 11-17 is dealing with this zone of 3 foot horizontally and 8 foot vertically, where it's prohibited to have a fixture in accordance with lighting outlets over bathtubs now, as required and illustrated in this figure 11-17 in compliance with NEC 410.10d as in dog.